I want to talk to you today about prayer because a lot of Christians are not praying. I read something some years ago where they did a survey and it showed that the average Christian prayed only 1 minute per day. You can't be an average Christian. We are so caught up with so many things that we put prayer for last. It's the last thing we do, or we do it when we have trouble, when we have trials, when we have tribulation, or we run to somebody and say, pray for me. There's nothing wrong with someone praying for you, but you have to also pray for yourself. You have to have it as a part of your daily life. You have to walk in prayer. Now, I have a website on Facebook where I am reaching out to people. And it's in my name, Wesley Henry, Pastor Wesley Henry. But on it is 7 billion prayers, 7 billion people, 7 billion prayers, 7 billion miracles. There are 7 billion people in the world. And some of them have never prayed. And some of them have never been inside of a church and never had someone praying for them. And I believe that if we are going to reach the world, we have to let prayer go ahead of us. We have to let prayer precede us. Let me say this. I find that if I am going somewhere to minister, or if I'm going to talk to somebody and I pray before, when I go, it's more rewarding, it's more effective. If we're going to reach the people of the world, we can't go and preach to them before we actually pray for them. And I believe that we are so caught up with our own personal needs that we are just always praying for ourselves. And I listen to some people pray, most people pray. It's always about me and my pain and me and my pain. And there's nothing wrong. You have to fix yourself before you go fix the world. But one of the reasons we cannot really bring prayer beyond ourselves too much and bring it into the nations and pray for people, all people, it is because we are not walking in prayer. And on my Facebook site, where I'm dealing with just prayer, that's all I deal with, because I have this conviction that people need to be prayed for, and we need to start realizing that we are responsible for our neighbor. We're responsible for some of the lost people we see on television, people we see every day. We work with them, but we never prayed for them. We may even witness to them and tell them about Christ, but we never prayed for them. And so I'm calling on everybody, wherever you are, pray for yourself, but also pray for somebody else. A prayer a day keeps the devil away. Keep the devil off you. Push him off with some prayer. Begin your day with prayer. And in the midday, try and find even 5 minutes and pray to the Lord. And before you go to bed at night, don't stay up until you fall asleep. And then you can't pray anymore. Pray before you sleep. If it is possible, let God be the first person you talk to every day, and let God be the last person you talk to at night. That is one of the commitments I have made, and I would like God to be the first person. It doesn't work that way all the time, but this is my commitment, for God to be the first person I talk to every day and the last person I talk to at night. I'm calling on you. Let us move the world. Let us revolutionize the world with prayer. We criticize some people, but we don't pray for them. We criticize their lifestyle, but have we really prayed for them? We criticize how they live. We criticize what they do. But some of them have never been in a church. Their parents never send them to church. We are not this so goody people. Many of us who are saved, we were brought up in the system. There are many people who were never brought up in the system. Some of them might hear the name Jesus, but they have never been exposed to the love of Christ. So we're going to pray for people. I'm calling on everybody everywhere. Join me and bow at your knees and pray. And I want you to follow me on Facebook too. Follow me on Facebook. And I have also a music site, a gospel music site, Twitter Beat TV. And that's the page on Facebook. And I have also www.twitterbeat.com, that where we play music, where you can join. But join with me. Let's come together. 7 billion people, 7 billion prayers, 7 billion miracles. Believe God with me.